Okay guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to make EAS scenarios on KineMaster with the new update. Yes, there was a new update to where you can now install custom fonts, which was figured out by me and confirmed by me. So anyways, we're going to go to media, images, assets, great clips if you want. I don't know how to say it. Clip graphics or whatever it is. Then go to basic tile effects, center, do center, then type emergency alert system. Do the issuer, however I'm doing the National Weather Service. Then do that and type issue day, but don't make it like I did. I kinda suck at this. Then do whatever alert, however I'm just gonna do the winter storm warning. Next, if you see that plus right by the store, press that. And my name is gonna be blocked. Never mind. Next, you just want to go like that. Then you want to press VCREAS. When it says complete, it will show a thing called My Fonts. Right there, you will see VCREAS. And press that. Press the check mark. There you have it. Then you're just gonna want to add some sound effects. So go into audio. Use recordings of an EAS alert sound effect. Or just download it. Duh, what if we do it in voice changer? My ears. It actually sounds creepy. Ah, my ears. Now I'm gonna change the alert. I just changed my mind. I don't want to do the emergency alert. I'll do emergency action notification. Civil authorities. What do they? I forgot. Primary entry point system. There. Gosh dang it, I still have voice changer on. Okay, now I'm gonna add my voice. I'm such an idiot. This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. The broadcast cable in your area has issued a test. We will now resume to normal programming. This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. The broadcast cable in your area has volunteered a cooperation with FEMA, the FCC, and local authorities. If this was an actual emergency, the attention signal you were just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instructions. This is only a test. We will now resume normal programming. Use your voice if you want, or the little use a narrative voice if you want. Like, record it. You don't have to download it. Like, screen record it. Like, don't use mobites then. It will catch background noises. Anyways, that's all. Then you want to save and share. Share it with YouTube though. That's what I highly advise. If you share it with any other websites, they're just gonna do some bad stuff. Anyways, yeah. So save it. Save it. Save it. Save it. Is it even saving? I don't think it's gonna save. There it goes. 0. You can save it to YouTube if you want. I'm not. Anyways, see you guys.